December 3rd, Blizzard Brawl, the greatest time of the year. EC3, it will be a 5-on-5 and you have your 4. You have 4 followers that you will lead because you are a leader. That's where we're different. See, I'm not bringing in followers to help. No, I'm bringing in family. And before you start talking about nepotism, I have earned everything I have ever done. My dad, sure, he's helped, he's opened doors for me, but I have to stay in those doors at all times, and I am trying to pry those doors open to become the greatest. So my 4 for Blizzard Brawl are my cool, amazing, talented, caring, and I know they have my back, the best uncles I could ever ask for. So Al Snow, my guru, a former tag team champion, a former European champion.
Turn it up!
Scotty 2 Hottie, a former light heavyweight champion and a former tag team champion. OVW's head coach, a former tag team champion Doug Basham, and a former intercontinental and former European champion D'Lo Brown. So EC3, call me good, call me bad. At Blizzard Brawl, I'm your man.